morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are camping at Cabin Lake this weekend. This is our first weekend out this year. It's the last day of April, which is kind of sad that it's taken us this long to go camping again. But this morning we got something special for you. Ashley's going to make us breakfast. It's going to be something awesome, and she's going to show you guys how to make it, and hopefully you will enjoy it. So let's get started.
We are making banana pancakes this morning. We like to make these at home. I've never made them camping, but I'm sure it will be great. Everybody will love it. You gotta have bananas, equal parts bananas and eggs. So we have 4 bananas and 4 eggs for our crowd of 5. Hopefully that'll be enough. These bananas look nasty, but the blacker they are, the tastier and sweeter they are. So get you some old rotten bananas for this. And then we're just going to use a little bit of flour to thicken it up and a little bit of baking powder to make it fluffy. So I'm going to get started getting my batter together, and I'll check in with you guys later.
Prairie wind goes on blowing, tumbleweed shadow, I'm tied to you.
This is my banana goop. I smashed it as smooth as I could get it with the fork so your batter will be smoother and not as clumpy. So I'm going to add this to my bowl with my eggs and mix them together. Okay, this is my bananas and my eggs all mixed together. Now we're going to put about a teaspoon of baking powder in there to make them nice and fluffy. And then you're just going to add as much of any type of flour that you like in here to get a batter consistency. So it shouldn't take a whole lot, maybe half a cup. I'm going to start with that and see how that does.
On the other side.
Alright, so this is my batter. I had to add a little more flour, probably like 3/4 a cup for the amount of eggs and bananas I had. And I could have gotten my bananas a little smoother. We're a little chunky here, but it should still be tasty. Alright, I got my Blackstone on like a medium low. I'm going to put just a little bit of oil on the griddle. I like to use grapeseed oil. It has a high heating point and not a strong flavor. Got some sausage links we're going to throw on here, and then we're going to get our pancakes going. My last little guy going here, you want to cook them for 2 or 3 minutes on each side and then attempt to flip. Oh, perfect flip. Not always the easiest to flip over.
So is that what you're looking for? That?
Yeah, you don't want it any more brown than this. I probably could have flipped it a little sooner. Alright, we got our last little guy ready to come off here. Our sausage is ready. Alright, we got our little breakfast buffet set up. We're gonna make us a plate of pancakes. I love fresh berries on my pancakes, especially in the spring. They're fresh and delicious. Some maple syrup. Top it off with a little bit of cinnamon, my favorite. Gotta get us some sausage. And voila! Breakfast is served.
And we're ready to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like and subscribe.
Well, guys, we got so sidetracked with that awesome breakfast and laughing at Alex, we forgot to close the video out. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments if you want to see some more stuff like this. We're very lucky to have a great chef that lives here and camps with us. Be sure to check out our other videos and be sure to subscribe to the channel. And, oh, little Percy's hiding from you. But anyway, maybe you guys can see him a little more next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.